Alright, 6:29 morning update. I already traded early in the morning. I sold my puts that I bought pretty much right at the open, pretty much immediately sold those on this move down. But I think that this looks like it's probably going to go higher. I think it's going to go, again, it looks like another expanded flat to me. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come up here all the way to like 365.50. And then that's another excellent place to short. You have this is 2 hour supply, and then you also have I think this is 15-minute supply or 30-minute supply. So anywhere in there is a good short. You can see we had a lot of tops in there. Top here, pretty much top here, and they all came outside of the zone. So I'm just waiting on that to play out, and I'll probably get back in short. It literally just hit the bottom of the zone and backed off a little bit. But it's just starting. It's probably going to take a while to get back up here, but 365.50 would be a great place to short again. And then it has to hold still 366.51, which I would say odds are it will. But there is a possibility. I mean, it should with this structure. If it does break that, though, let's say I'm wrong and it does go higher, there's also a 4-hour supply zone starting at 367 to 369.65. So I wouldn't expect us to go to new highs or anything like that. But B wave should be finished right here. So everyone's probably wondering about Tesla the most. It actually looks like Tesla might have completed the 4th wave right here. So this looked like ABC, so it could have been the 4th wave right here. But then we got another ABC move here, and then this move down. So I think that this whole thing is probably ABC. And it should be starting that final move up that I talked about in the video yesterday. I would be looking for 265 on Tesla. So maybe that will help out QQQ going a little bit higher. That's about a, what is that, like a 2.5% move up to 265. Coin was one that I was looking at last night. I'll just go ahead and talk about that. I liked it, and it still looks like a pretty good formation overall. It looks like another expanded flat. We're getting these all over the place. So this is not a 5-wave move right here. This is a ABC move, and it comes down here past the start of wave A. And then this looks like a wave 1 because that's an impulsive move. And then we get ABC here, ABC, ABC. And I was saying that this looks like it could be the end of the 2nd wave here. But this also kind of looks like an ABC move as well. And I don't think that triangles normally are in 2nd waves. But that's just what it looks like to me. It looks like some kind of triangle. So there's two ways to play this. You could get in with like a tight stop here, just in case it ends up being a 3rd wave. Oh, another thing too about this is this broke the low right here, so this can't be a 3rd wave. So that's the reason. That's another reason why I think that this whole move looks to me like it's going to be A, B, C, D, E with a target of 40 bucks. So that seems kind of extreme, and we'll see. I guess it could end up being the overall B wave here too, a short B wave. Either way, I still see more downside for coin. I was originally looking at this last night, and I was thinking that it looked like it could be a 5-wave move, and starting like a move like this. But yeah, I think it probably has more downside, unfortunately. Apple still doing its thing. I'm just waiting right here. Again, I'll be short probably somewhere up in here with a tight stop above 366.50. But until then, I'm just watching. I sold my puts at 362.50. I bought them at 364, 365 right here. So that's just an example of supply and demand and how you really need supply and demand with Elliott Wave, because Elliott Wave is just kind of to see the whole picture, but then you also need to know where you should be getting in with more precision. So anyway, those are a few stocks I'm looking at. Quick SOFI update. So SOFI looks to me like I talked about in the video last time. You watched the full video on SOFI. Again, I had this as an expanded flat. My target was 9 to 930. And that was because we had the 1.23 fib here, and then you had the 1.61 fib here at 944. And this looks like, right now, it just looks like the fifth wave might be coming to an end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave. Within that fifth wave, we have this has got to be a third wave right here. So we have 1, 2, third wave here. And I would say going down really low in the time frame. I would say it's most likely finished here at 928. I hit my target pretty much perfectly. Didn't get all the way to the 1.61 fib. If this is still going, then the fourth wave has gone down a lot. It still could be a fourth wave because it is a very corrective movement. And if that's the case, then one more move high here to like probably the 1.61 fib. But other than that, like I talked about in the last video, I'm expecting downside now. I'm looking for something. Let's just say that's the top right there. Then I would be looking for $7.21. So this move though, definitely got anything about sub $7 kind of out of the way. I don't think that's gonna happen now. The last video I said if this is the top right there, 670 was possible. We've gone high enough and we've hit this target. Another reason 944 makes sense is because we got another supply zone right around in there. You see a big move right here. This is the candle before it. So we'll see. Is there going to be one more move up here to 944? Or is this the top and we start the move down here to 720, 730? In which that would be the bottom, and then we could go make our next move higher to 12, 13 bucks. So that's pretty much it. We went over Tesla, SOFI, QQQ, and Coin. And I guess I'd take a quick glance at SPY. So SPY, I talked about in the video yesterday. I didn't want it to clear 437.45. It actually double topped with that. So it looks like this is probably the fifth wave right here going on right now. And then that would end the overall B wave. So I think that we're pretty much getting to the point where the next move down has got to be the C wave start. And QQQ probably already started the C wave. So I got to get back to this because I'm going to buy some puts here soon. And good luck trading the rest of the day. I'll do an update after the market closes.